Ever wondered why understanding web traffic is vital for your business? Well, it's like having a map to your customers' behaviors, preferences, and habits. Imagine you're a detective, and each visitor to your website leaves behind clues about who they are and what they want. With each click, scroll, and interaction, they're telling you a story. Web traffic data is the key to this story. It provides valuable insights into your customer's journey, from how they found your site to what pages they visited and how long they stayed. This information is essential for making informed decisions about your business strategy. It can help you identify what's working, what's not, and where there's room for improvement. By understanding your web traffic, you're better equipped to create content that resonates with your audience, optimize your website for an enhanced user experience, and ultimately, boost your sales and growth. And there's no better tool for understanding web traffic than Google Analytics. Google Analytics, a powerful tool for your business, but how does it work? Today, we'll answer this question and more as we delve into Google Analytics. At its core, Google Analytics is a free web analytics service provided by Google. It's a tool that allows you to analyze in-depth detail about the visitors on your website, providing valuable insights that can shape the success strategy of your business. Think of it as a magnifying glass for your website's traffic, allowing you to scrutinize every aspect of visitor behavior. Now, you might be asking, what exactly does Google Analytics track? Well, it tracks a plethora of data, but some of its key features include real-time reporting, audience demographics, and behavior flow. Real-time reporting is like a pulse check for your website. It shows you what's happening on your site at any given moment. From the number of active users, the pages they are on, to the source of their visit, real-time reporting keeps you in the know as it's happening. Next up, we have audience demographics. This feature gives you a snapshot of who your visitors are. It provides information about their age, gender, location, language, and even their interests. This information is crucial in developing targeted marketing strategies that resonate with your audience. Finally, there's behavior flow. This feature provides a visual representation of the path users typically take through your site, from the page they land on, the pages they visit next, and the page where they exit. This can help you identify any roadblocks or opportunities on your site, allowing you to optimize user experience and ultimately, conversion rates. In essence, Google Analytics is like a compass for your digital marketing journey. It points you in the right direction, helps you make informed decisions, and ensures that you're not flying blind in the digital landscape. So, ready to dive into the world of Google Analytics? Setting up Google Analytics is easier than you think. So let's dive straight into it. The first thing you need to do is create a Google Analytics account. Head over to the Google Analytics website and click on Start for Free. From there, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, well, it's about time you create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to set up a property. Now, don't fret. This is just a fancy way of saying website or app. You can name it anything you like, but it's best to choose a name that is easily recognizable. Next, you'll need to provide some basic information about your website, like its URL, industry category, and time zone. Once you're done, click on Create. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, I have a Google Analytics account, but how do I connect it to my website? Don't worry, we're getting there. Google Analytics will provide you with a tracking ID and code snippet. This is like the fingerprint of your website. You need to add this code to your website's HTML. If you're not comfortable doing this, you might want to get a developer involved. Once the code is in place, Google Analytics will start tracking the traffic to your website. But hold on, we're not done yet. The Google Analytics dashboard can be a bit overwhelming at first, but here's a quick rundown. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with options like real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. Each of these sections provides different insights about your website's traffic. Real-time shows you what's happening on your website right now. Audience gives you information about your visitors. Acquisition tells you where your traffic is coming from. Behavior shows you what visitors are doing on your site. And conversions tells you how well you're achieving your goals. With these steps, you're now ready to explore Google Analytics. Reports on Google Analytics, a treasure trove of data. This is where the magic happens, where the numbers become insights, and where you start to see the story behind your web traffic. Let's dive right in and explore the different types of reports available on Google Analytics. There are 5 primary categories: real-time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversion. Each of these categories offers a unique perspective on your website's performance. Real-time reports, as the name suggests, provide information about activity on your website as it happens. It gives you a snapshot of who's on your site, which pages they're viewing, and where they're from. It's a bit like watching your website's heartbeat. Next, we have audience reports. These tell you who your visitors are. You can find out their location, language, the device they're using, even their interests. It's all about understanding your audience better to deliver more personalized experiences. Acquisition reports are all about where your traffic comes from. Whether it's from search engines, social media, direct visits, or other sources. Understanding this can help you optimize your marketing strategies. Behavior reports, on the other hand, delve into what visitors do once they're on your website. They track which pages are viewed most, how long visitors stay, and what path they follow. These insights can help you improve your website's user experience. Lastly, conversion reports. This is where you can track your business goals. Whether it's the number of signups, purchases, or downloads, these reports show how well your website is achieving its objectives. Interpreting these reports might seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's like reading an open book about your website. The key is to ask the right questions and let the data guide your answers. With these reports, you're now equipped to make informed decisions. It's time to harness the power of Google Analytics and turn those insights into action. Google Analytics is a powerful tool, but how can you use it effectively? Well, let's dive right in. First, setting goals is a crucial step. Goals in Google Analytics allow you to track specific user interactions on your site. These user interactions can be anything from form submissions, button clicks, ebook downloads, and more. By setting up goals, you're telling Google Analytics what to look out for as significant events. Next, filters are your best friend. They help you exclude unwanted data and focus on what matters. For instance, you can use filters to exclude internal traffic and get a clearer picture of your actual audience. Remember, quality data is the key to making informed decisions. Another tip is segmenting your data. Data segmentation allows you to isolate and analyze subsets of your data. For example, you can segment your traffic by location, device, or behavior. This can help you understand how different groups of users interact with your site, helping you tailor your strategy to your audience's needs. Google Analytics also plays well with other tools. Integrating it with platforms like Google Ads or Google Search Console can give you a more holistic view of your performance. For instance, integrating with Google Ads provides insights into how your ad campaigns are driving traffic and conversions. Moreover, don't forget about the power of custom reports. Custom reports let you focus on the metrics that matter most to you. You can create a custom report for just about anything, from your top-performing pages to the demographics of your visitors. And finally, make sure to keep learning. Google Analytics is a deep and complex tool with new features and capabilities being added all the time. Stay up to date and don't be afraid to experiment. With these tips, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics. So go ahead, dive in, and start exploring the wealth of data at your fingertips. You'll be amazed at what you can discover. So, what have we learned about Google Analytics? We've journeyed through the significance of understanding web traffic, realizing it's not just about quantity, but about quality. We've discovered that knowing who visits our website, when, and why is crucial to crafting effective marketing strategies and driving growth. We then dove into the world of Google Analytics, a powerful tool that provides this invaluable data at our fingertips. We learned how to set it up, step by step, ensuring that every click, every interaction is tracked and analyzed. Next, we decoded the mystery of Google Analytics reports. We learned how to interpret these rich datasets, to understand our audience better, and to make informed decisions. Finally, we shared some top tips for using Google Analytics effectively to leverage its full potential and make our digital marketing efforts more efficient and productive. Now, equipped with Google Analytics, you're ready to boost your business,